morning to all. Today we will discuss about the discovery of neutrons. In the year 1930, German physicists Bothe and Baker bombarded beryllium with alpha particles of energy 5 mega electron volt from polonium and found that a highly penetrating radiation was emitted. Hence, beryllium bombarded with helium which gives carbon 13. Here the energy of this radiation supposed to be gamma rays was found to be about 7 mega electron volt, which is greater than the energy of the gamma rays. And then in the year 1932 the problem of photon energy was solved by James Chadwick, who proposed the penetrating radiation consists of neutral particles whose mass is close to that of proton, hence the name neutron, which was first discovered by James Chadwick and he got Nobel Prize in 1935. Here beryllium plus lithium which gives neutron plus carbon 12. Here Chadwick confirmed his hypothesis by the following experiments. Here alpha particles form the source of polonium, here deposited on the disk D, you can observe from the figure, and are made to bombard a beryllium target. Both the disk and target are enclosed in a evacuated chamber, that is B. Then neutrons released in the nuclear reaction escape through a thin walls of the chamber, you can observe from the arrow mark, and enter the ionization chamber through the window W. Here the ionization chamber is connected with amplifier and counter. Here since neutrons are uncharged, they themselves cannot produce ionization in the chamber. Here very few pulses per minute are registered due to the ions ejected by neutrons from the walls of the chamber. See, on placing a lead sheet in the path of the radiation, see in front of the window, that is W, it was found that the number of pulses did not change appreciably and showed that the radiation coming out of beryllium wax, it is highly energetic. And further, on introducing a thin sheets of paraffin wax instead of lead, it was used thin paraffin wax. Yet the number of counts increased. This is due to the fact that neutrons eject fast moving protons from paraffin wax by elastic collision, not inelastic, by elastic collision. Then the protons enter the ionization chamber. There we can count the number of counts, that is using with the help of amplifier and counter. See, first consider, you can observe from the diagram, first consider polonium radioactive source, and it is deposited on the disk D are made to bombard a beryllium target nucleus. Here both are placed in a closed chamber. Hence from the beryllium you can observe neutrons are released through ionization chamber, thin walls of the chamber, that is B, and it pass through the window, that is W. Here you can connect with amplifier and counter. Here we know that neutrons are chargeless uncharged particles here which cannot produce ionization. Chadwick did that on placing paraffin wax instead of lead sheet. He placed paraffin wax, and this showed that beryllium wax is highly energetic. And introducing the here thin sheets of paraffin wax, here the number of counts increases, means absorption cross section increases. This is due to the fact that here neutrons are fast moving protons from paraffin wax, which is in elastic collision, and these protons enter the ionization chamber. Then we can observe the counts with the help of amplifier and counter. So this is the how he was discovered the discovery of neutrons with the help of polonium radioactive source.